Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we have another informational tips and tricks video, and before we begin, please subscribe to the channel if you have not done so yet. So today we are going to talk about a phenomena in eyedropper pens called burping. So I have Gamma ES with me to demonstrate burping. So first of all, what is burping? Burping is, a phenomena in which the eyedropper pens tend to throw up a lot of ink. So this happens usually when the level of ink inside the pen is less. So what happens is the air inside the barrel expands due to the heat of your hand and pushes the ink out towards the nib, and that ink is more than that is needed, and it sometimes throws up a blob of ink also. So I'll just demonstrate how it burps and what we can do in case of burping. There is nothing much that we can do in case of burping though. So this pen is at room temperature now. It is around 15 degrees here. So I'll just start writing with it, and you can see the pen throwing up ink, more ink as compared to the one when it is full. So this pen has this much ink in it and this much air is there. So let me start writing. So as the pen tends to burp, it starts throwing up more and more ink. The nib gets wetter, it gets more juicier, and that is the sign of the pen trying to burp. So when the pen tries to burp, you can see on the side of the nib, you will try to start seeing a blob of ink collecting, that is just waiting to throw up onto the paper. If I can show you, here is the blob of ink, you can see. So when this pen burps, it will just throw up unnecessary amount of ink that is not needed, and it can ruin your paper on which you are writing. So as you write and as the ink and the air inside the barrel gets heated up, it will try to push more and more ink towards the nib, and the pen gets more juicier and juicier, and ultimately you will get a blob of ink. You can see here a big blob of ink is coming out. If I touch it, you can see here big blob of ink is there. So to demonstrate further what you and as a solution also, what temporary solution I would say, what you can do is you can hold your pen in the fist like this. It will start heating up the barrel overall, and the air inside the pen will start heating up, and it will start pushing out the air, hot air outside towards the nib, and you can see ink forming out here. So ink is also being pushed with the air, and this is how the pen burps. You can easily see this, the ebonite easily gets heated even with the heat of the hand, and it starts to push the ink out with the air. So you can clean it now, and if you try to write now, the pen will not burp as soon as it would have been burped without doing so. So if I now write, I can write a little bit longer without the pen being burping. But the exact solution to burping is to refill the pen so that there is no air inside the barrel. So these pens, these eyedropper pens usually take a lot of ink. They take around this pen takes around 2.5 ml of ink. So when the ink level is below the half of the barrel, then you should refill your pen. And it is about 1.25 ml of ink that is being used, and to utilize 1.25 ml of ink, you have to write a lot. So these pens write a lot even with half of the ink in them. So fill your eyedropper pens as soon as they are half empty. Otherwise, you will risk a chance of the pen burping and ruining your paper. Hope this video helps, and as always, thanks for watching. Please do like the video, share the video, and do subscribe to the channel for more interesting videos. Thank you. Bye bye.